Hello students, today I am again here to make you know about the next part of the French Revolution. Outbreak of the revolution. So there are many incidents which created the revolution. I made to understand related to the cause of the French Revolution also. But some of the immediate factors that came to be known as an outbreak of the revolution, there are many reasons in which the administration decisions gives a lot of importance, and you must know what are the immediate factors which hastened the crisis of the bankruptcy faced by the government, and some minister also proposed to impose the different types of the tax on the clergy as well as the noble. But noble and the clergy were not agreed to do the sacrifice for their country. They don't want to pay the different types of the tax that the common people were paying it. So the king was also not understanding what to do, what not to do. So he called a meeting, and that meeting that was called after 174 years. And after 174 years, the meeting that was called, it is known as the meeting of the State General, and it was called on the 5th May 1789, in which 308 members of the clergy, 285 members of the nobles, 621 members of the common participated in it. But there was a sitting plan in the State General where the common people have to stand, and when the discussion was going on, they also want to agree to bring the constitution in the country. The common people make the comment that they agree with the constitution. They also want to make a reform in the country. They want to make a reform in the political system, economical system. But the common people were speaking, but the king, nobles didn't agree with the argument that was going on. And finally, king stopped the meeting. He comes out, and the noble and the clergy was come out from the meeting, and the meeting was not justified. And lastly, it was seen as an esteemed revolution for the France. Again, the common people want to call the meeting with the clergy and noble, and that is known as the National Assembly meeting on the 10th June 1789. Again, the meeting was called to clarify if there is a dissatisfaction is there, but the noble people didn't want to cast the vote with the common. They didn't agree to cast the vote in the State General equally as the common people were doing it. So again the meeting was not successful. On 17th June 1789, the member of the third state completely they made themselves as a National Assembly, because they were the representative of the 96% of the France. So they made themselves as a National Assembly, and they declared the state themselves as a National Assembly, and finally they decided to form the new constitution for the France people. Next attempt that was taken, that they made the plan to make the rules and regulations and the constitution for the country. They collectively decided to construct the constitution in the leadership of the Mirabeau and the Abbesses, who was clergy and the noble. On 20th June they collectively started and they take the oath in that particular Versailles place that is known as a tennis court. They decided to make the constitution, rules and regulation, and equal rights must be given to all the people, those who belongs to France. And they decided until then, when the constitution will be not formed, they will not go back to their home. And they drafted the constitution. But when the king heard this, so he was not satisfied. He called the meeting that was drafting the constitution for the country France. It was unlaw. It was not for the people that was constituted, that was running under the leadership of the king. The king raised the arms right in the country, and his wife and the brother-in-law decided that the state that was constructing the rules and regulation, it is illegal. It should not be formed. So queen and the king brother incited the king to resort to the armed action, and there was a movement of the royal troops towards the palace. And finally, king dissolved the National Assembly, but that was no matter related to the third state member. They also decreased the power of the king, and they eliminated the king from the country, and they also removed the such taxes that was imposed on the common people. Now, this was the reaction that of the king that was taking, that he raised the arm and the people and the army was sent to kill the people. So the many peoples were killed, the common peoples were killed. So finally, this action that was taken by the king, it converted into the reaction of the people, and the people gave the reaction by demolishing the Bastille and the prison that was very famous prison of the France, that the Bastille, and it was demolished on the 14th July 1789, in which many people were released, many people were killed, many common peoples were also murdered, as well as many innocent people, those who were inside the Bastille, they were also released, and the mob of the France went against to the king, and it was a place, the Bastille was a place which can be said that it was a very important for the France king and the France administration, and it was demolished. And this can be seen a very important outbreak of the revolution that was imposed in the France. Thank you.